Is your transmission acting like it cannot decide which gear to be in, or does it feel like the engine is revving up but the car is barely moving, almost like you were driving on ice? If you have scanned your car and pulled up the code P07AC, you're probably staring at the description Transmission Friction Element F Performance or Stuck Off and wondering what on earth that means. It sounds incredibly technical, and honestly, it is a bit vague because modern automatic transmissions are complex beasts with tons of moving parts. But do not panic just yet, because while this sounds like a transmission rebuild is in your future, it is not always that catastrophic. Here's the deal. Your car's computer, the engine control module, is constantly monitoring the internal speeds of your transmission. It expects certain parts to grip and hold at specific times. When it sees that this specific internal part, which they label as friction element F, is not holding or is slipping when it should be locked tight, it throws this code. It's basically telling you, hey, I am commanding this gear, but something inside is letting go. Now, before you rush to a transmission shop, you need to do some detective work yourself. The absolute biggest culprit here is your automatic transmission fluid. Think of this fluid as the hydraulic blood of your car. If it is low, burnt, or full of debris, the hydraulic pressure drops, and those friction elements cannot get enough squeeze to hold on. So your first move is to check that fluid condition and level. But here's a pro tip that catches even experienced mechanics off guard. Check your tires. I'm serious. If you have mismatched tire sizes, maybe you put on a used tire recently that is slightly different, or if one tire is significantly lower on air pressure than the others, it causes your wheels to spin at different speeds. The computer can misinterpret this rotational difference as internal transmission slippage. It's a crazy indirect cause, but it happens more often than you would think. If your fluid is clean and your tires are perfect, then you might be looking at a wiring issue, a loose connector on the transmission causing a bad signal, or a faulty solenoid. Do not ignore this code, because if that friction element is actually slipping, it is generating massive heat, and heat is what kills transmissions. Start with the cheap and easy checks, the fluid and tires, and you might just save yourself a massive headache.